Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get this cool lantern and fish it from the new update. First, just head over to Pirate Cove like this, and then once you're there, just go straight to this shop in this cove over here. Just follow my step over here. This shop, press the button like this, and then next just tap on the NPC and then just open shop and like this one. On here you can buy school lantern with the price is around 10,000 doubloons or like coin for the Pirate Cove. And don't worry, you can collect them by completing daily quests during the pirate event over here. This one, just complete the quest on here and then you will get the doubloons to buy the lantern. And okay, maybe that's it. It's simple and easy way to get the newest bait, the newest lantern and fish it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.